please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, may Allah be pleased with him, I heard Allah's messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, saying, the example of good company, and bad company, is a perfume shop, and a blacksmith. The perfume shop owner, will either give you perfume, as a present, or you would buy it, from them, or at least, you would smell, its nice smell, whereas, the blacksmith, they would either burn your clothes, or you will at least, be affected by the bad smell. This narration is found in, Sahih Bukhari, number 5534. Good friends, are those who obey Allah, the Exalted, and do good things. They never do bad things, like hurting other people. Bad friends, always do bad things, like hurting people. Good friends, will affect you, in good ways. They will invite you, towards good things, which please Allah, the Exalted. Bad friends, will affect you in bad ways. They will always invite you, towards bad things, like dealing drugs. Do not ever think, your bad friends, will help you, when you get in trouble. They won't, they are always, the first people, to run away, when they think, they will get in trouble, like, with the police. They will leave you alone, to face the consequences. Good friends, make other people become good, whereas, bad friends make other people, become bad. So always choose friends, who will help you, in this world, like your studies, at school, and they will help you, in the next world too, like inviting you, to do good deeds, which please Allah, the Exalted.